Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today is Wednesday, November 3rd, 2022.
Today's weather: high of 83, low of 60, sunny and 7% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast: muffins, sausage biscuit, sausage, fruit of choice, juice of choice. Today's lunch: cheeseburger, tater tots, salad, fruit of choice, juice of choice.
Today's announcements: POP. The district has provided our 2 POP indicators for this year. You will soon receive the indicators and an example of POP using these indicators. Be on the lookout for this. Insights to Behavior District required training. All certified staff should have received an email from Insights to Behavior on 10/19. All certified staff must complete the training by December 12th as stated in the email you received. Safety walkthrough. Our ALSDE representative did not make it on our scheduled day. They may come at any time unannounced. Please make sure to continue to ensure all safety measures are in place. Late duty. Today we have Ms. Clark.
Important dates: November the 7th, Fluency Faculty Meeting, iReady PD. November 10th, Thanksgiving Feast. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 15th, class spelling bees. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 17th, tutoring ends. Friday, November 18th, Feel Good Friday. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
We have no birthdays today.
Send us your question. You can submit the question of the day in the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news.
Have a thankful Thursday.